How to win on PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can win it. So for this, just open up PrizePicks, then select the game of your choice. Suppose you want to select NBA, then make sure that you know the rules of this particular game and also the scoring chart. For that, just simply click on this option of scoring chart, and over here you will be able to see all the points associated with all the actions. Like for block you will get 3 points, for steal 3 points, but for turnover you might get -1 point. So this is how these points will be given to your players that you just select. So for that, just simply select any of the player, whether you want to select less or more for that particular player. Now suppose I want to select 2 players for more, and this is how this will appear on the right hand side panel. Now I can bet it, and when you scroll down in the payout section, it is still calculating the payout. It will calculate power play for you. Like you have to hit 2 out of 2. Basically your predictions must be correct 100% in order to win this particular entry. But when you select more than 2, like I select one more over here, it will give me the option of flex play. Here I can hit 2 out of 3 and still I would be winning, but the winning would be lesser than the earlier one where I will be hitting 2 out of 2. So this is how it will appear. And in order to win it, make sure that you accumulate as many points as you can, and also use the math, because it is quite important, and there are so many tools out there that you can utilize in order to do the maths for you. Like you could go to this website called Odds Jam, and over here you can use the tool of this particular positive EV, and you would be able to do the maths and check out whether everything is going right or not, and it will be able to help you out with player selections. But always do your own research before jumping into these platforms. So this is how you win on PrizePicks. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.